Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga fire signs natin, right? No? So, let's see anong third party situation sa inyo, no? Mga fire signs natin, no? Kung meron kayong mga person na with third party, no? Or kung ikaw man ay may third party, right? No? So, let's see. Or, yeah, yeah, before we start pala, no, mga fire signs, again, no, pakita ko lang again ang ating mga crystal bracelets, evil eye bracelets natin right here, no, so iba-iba yan, no, so ang mga designs are available, no, sa ating Shopee, no, so you can check sa ating Shopee, no, doon na rin kayo mag-purchase, no, so mas convenient sa akin yung Shopee, right, no. Ang link ay nandyan sa ating description below, no, mga goddess ko, no, fire signs. So, yan, no, upon purchase, no, nakalagay yan sa acrylic box, no, clear acrylic box and with pouch na rin, no, like this, no, para ay pwede nyong mahubad, kung huhubarin nyo man ito, no, ilagay nyo lang sa pouch nyo, no, kung nasa labas kayo, right, no, so, yan, no, maraming benefits yan, of course, ang mga benefits ay nandun din sa kanilang mga descriptions, no, sa ating Shopee, right, no, so, yan, no, that's it, no, so, kumbaga ay, yeah, kung meron din kayong mga personal na gusto nyong mga, kumbaga ay, may mga gusto kayong gawin nating affirmation, no, custom made, no, pwede rin, no, so, meron tayong mga 5-in-1, 3-in-1, no, attracts good fortune, abundance, no, for career, finances, no, love, and of course, sa ating inner spirit, then, no, protection, lalo na si Saint Benedict medallion natin, so, pwede kayong mag-request na lagyan din natin ng ni Saint Benedict, no, ang lagyan natin ng Saint Benedict medallion for protection, no, so yan, ay message niyo lang ako, no, sa Shopee, no, kung ano yung mga affirmation na ilalagay natin, no, from through prayers, right, no, so and again, no, sabihin nyo rin, isend nyo rin yung full name ng magmamay-ari ng crystal bracelets natin, right, no, para sa kanyang personal prayer. And of course, kasama na din dyan, no, ang paano nyo i-cleanse ang inyong mga crystal bracelets, right, no, so mga fire signs. So, let's start with you, Aries, no, tignan natin, no, anong third party situation sa mga Aries natin. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you here, no, mga Aries, no. 6 cards for Aries, please. 6 cards, no? Anong third party situation for Aries? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, no? So, let's see. So, meron talaga agad bungad dito, player, no? Talagang may player, no? So, what else? So, owns a business, no? For some of you, no, you are, wait lang. So, yan, no, player and owns business, rich, wealthy, average, kind, dark, medium skin, karma, no? So, yan, no? Meron ditong player talaga, no? Mga Aries natin. So, again, take what's resonate, no? Mga Aries, no? Pwedeng kayo ito or ang person, no, na you are dealing with, no? Mga Aries natin. So, malinaw, merong player dito, no? So, maybe this player owns a business, no? Yeah, because he or she owns a business, no, so that's why he feel rich, no, so may ganun siyang energy, no, feeling mayaman tong tao na ito, right, no, because nga may business naman siya, no, right, no, so yeah, no, average, kind, no, so for some of you, no, Aries, no, so maybe this person, no, just an average, no, kumbaga person, maybe hindi naman gano'n katangkaran, no, average height lang, no. So, with kind, no, for some of you, 'pag tinignan 'tong player na 'to, sasabihin mabait naman 'to, eh, no. So, maybe yan, no. And then for some of you, no, mga Aries, no, there is someone na with a dark medium skin or morena, kayumanggi or yeah, medyo may pagkakayumanggi ang balat, no? Something like that, no? Maybe this player din yun, no? Ang medyo hindi naman ganun kaputi, no? Something like that, no? So, medium skin, no? Something like that, no? So, but then, no? Kasi nga may player dito. So, more on player to, no? Ang itong nakukuha nating energy, wala dito yung third party, no? So, it's all about the player, no? Yeah, ang nakikita ko rito, no? This player will be soon getting his or her karma, no. So, ayan, no, karma will be served, no, sa player na ito, no, mga Aries natin. So, yan, no, medyo masakit, no, medyo intense, no. Talagang parang eto na yung panahon na harapin na ng player na ito ang kanyang karma, right? No, so let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here, no, mga Aries. One card for Aries. Kuha tayo ng one card. So, you have this Saturn, no? So, yan, no? Kumbaga, ang nakikita ko dito, kasi sa tarot, ito yung world, right? No? For some of you, maybe you are malayo, no, sa iyong person, no? Maybe, kaya nakakagawa ito ng mga katarantaduhan, right? No? So, feeling mayaman kasi itong tao na 'to, 'no, kumbaga ay maybe ginagamit niya yung pera niya, 'no, kasi may business naman siya, eh, right? No, so and also with this, no, the world, kung nakikita ko rito like a circle, no, so, ngayon umiikot na yung gulong ng palad, right? No, so, and now karma will hit this player, no, mga Aries. So, ayun lang naman yung nakikita ko rito, no. So, parang it's time na, no, para harapin na itong karma, no, for some of you Aries. So, whoever it is, no. So, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Aries, no. One card for Aries, please. So, you have this divine bad ass, no. So, for some of you, no, kumbaga ang nakikita ko dito ay talagang merong masama rito. Kumbaga ay minasama niya si divine, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, sinasabi ni universe dito na talagang there is someone, no, who is this na player na ay pati si divine, no, ang ating universe ay kanyang hindi nirespeto, 'no. Ayun yung nakikita ko rito. That's why, eto na yung karma, 'no. Karma will hit this player na, 'no, mga Aries natin, right, 'no. So, again, take what's resonate, 'no. Aries, 'no, puwedeng ikaw ito or ang person na you are dealing with, right, 'no. So, kung sino man yung, niloko mo or niloko ka, right, 'no. So, this is a player na, soon will receive the karma he or she deserves, no? Yeah, kumbaga hindi natin alam what kind of karma is this, no? So, kung ano naman talaga yung ginawa natin sa kapwa natin ay ayun din naman ang babalik sa atin, eh. And if masama yung ginawa natin, so, for some is maybe 10 times, no, ang balik nito, no, na karma, right, no? So, ayun lang naman yung nakikita ko dito, no, mga Aries, no, sa inyong third party situation, no. So, it's all about the player mismo, no, na who is the cheater dito sa relationship na ito, right, no. So, yeah, that's it, no, mga Aries, no. So, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Aries. So, no, let's go with you, Leo. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Leo natin? So, let's see, no, anong third party situation sa mga Leo natin. Tignan natin, no. So, kuha tayo ng 6 cards also, no, for you, Leo. 6 cards for Leo, please, no. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no? So, tignan natin yan. So, meron ditong married na, no? May marriage involved dito, no, mga Leo. So, continuous cheating, no? So, hindi pa rin nagbabago, right? No? So, secret place, no? So, maybe mga motel-hotel yan, right? So, sexy, chubby, no? Short lady. So, maybe this is the legal spouse, no? So, di ba? Legal spouse, no? So, teenager, no? So, yan, no? For some of you, Leo, no? Ang third party dito is a young man or woman, no? Something like that, no? Or maybe for some of you, with the teenager, no? You are dealing you are this Leo na very immature person, right? No, so walang pakialam, right? No, kahit na nagkakagulo na ang inyong marriage life, no, continuous cheating pa rin, no. Going to a secret place, no. Maybe yeah, for some of you this is a hotel motel, no, something like that. So saan pa ba ang secret place, right? No, so yeah, no, dalawa lang yan, no, ang immature ang person mo. And for some of you naman, this person na who is cheating is dealing with a young person, no, a lady or a boy, no, a teenager, no, literally, no. So pwede pa siyang makasuhan dito, right? No, kasi minor pa yung kanyang inaano, right? No, so napaka walang hindi ko alam, no. So ano pa bang hinahanap niya kahit sabi mong chubby, sexy ang inyong legal spouse, no? Married ka sa tao na ito or ikaw Leo, right? No, so napakawalang yan nung, 'di ba, ng tao na yan, whoever it is, no. So yeah, 'di ba, no? Hindi talaga nagbabago, no. Until now is continuous cheating pa rin, no. So I don't know kung anong nagiging reaction niyo rito for some of you Leo or anong person mo, right? No, kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate, right? No, so kumbaga I don't know kung meron na bang legal separation here, no, for some of you, or may nagbabalak na ba na mag-separate, no, legally, mga Leo natin dito. So, again, take what's resonate kung kayo yan, no? Kasi legal spouse, no? Married, legal spouse. So, maybe, for some of you, yung legal spouse dito ay nagbabalak ng makipaghiwalay talaga, right? No? So, marami na siyang natuklasan sa tao na ito na who is a cheater, right? No? So, yun lang naman yung nakikita natin dito. So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng one card for you, mga Leo natin. One card for Leo, please. So you have this Virgo, no? So maybe for some of you, you are dealing with an earth sign, no? Particularly, no? Specifically, no? With a Virgo, right? No? So let's see, no? What else? Yeah. Kuha tayo ng advice or message from the universe, no? Mga Leo natin. So, tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Leo. So, lioness, no? Lion-hearted. No? So, sinasabi dito, no? So, talagang Leo, lion, no? So, talagang connected rin, right? No? So, ilabas mo yung tapang mo, no? If you are the legal spouse, no? Ipaglaban mo yung karapatan mo, no? Maybe kung may anak kayo, no? So, you have to, no, legally take an action, no, for this, no. So hindi na tama yung ganitong mga sitwasyon, no, ang mga Leo natin, right? No, ilabas mo yung tapang mo, tama na yung pagiging mabait mo, right? No, so be brave enough, no, to express your lion-hearted, right? No, maging matapang ka na this time, no. Gawin mo na yung dapat mong gawin, no, mga Leo natin, no. Legally, no. So, yung mga karapatan mo, hindi dahil hinahabol mo yung person, but then ang kailangan mo dito yung karapatan mo as a legal spouse, right? No, mga Leo natin. So, yeah, that's it, no. So, ayan lang naman yung nakuha natin for you, mga Leo. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa reading nyo today, no, mga Leo natin. And, yeah, take an action na, no, with this situation ninyo, ng iyong spouse, right, no? O spouse pa ba tawag dyan, no? With this player, right, no? Na walang pakialam, no? Na until now, no? Parang hayok na hayok to, no? Na mang-cheat, no? Something. So, gigil na gigil, right, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, God bless you all. And thank you for watching, Leo. So, yeah, no? Last for the fire sign. So, let's go, no? Let's yeah, with you, no, Sag, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Sag, no? So, let's see anong third party situation for you, mga Sagittarius natin. So, kuha tayo ng 6 cards also, no, for you, mga Sag, no? Tignan natin. Third party situation for Sagittarius, please. Tayo ng 6 cards for Sagittarius. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. No? So, let's see. So, meron dito, no, karmic toxic person talaga, no, maybe, yeah, karmic relationship, toxic relationship talaga. So, meron dito, skinny, no, short lady, and meron ding mature man, woman, dark, medium skin, beware, no, meron ako, may STD rito, right? No, so, what else? So, no job, no? So, yeah, for some of you, Sag, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, no? Talagang napaka-toxic nito, right? No? So, sana wala naman, no? So, but din, no? Lumabas kasi, no? So, yeah, for some of you, Sag, no? So, ang person ninyo ay medyo talagang napakagulo nito, no? Mga Sagittarius, no? Maybe, yeah, it's all about really, no? Sa third party, no? So, toxic karmic relationship na ang napasukan ng iyong person, no, mga Sag, no. So maybe ikaw to or ang person mo, no. So kung sino dito yung player, right, no. So right now nasa isang relasyon siya na very toxic din, no, for some of you, na ang napuntahan niya, no, pinagpalit niya kayo sa isang skinny short lady, no, sa isang mapayat, no, hindi katangkaran na babae, right? And with this mature man, woman, no, maybe this is your person, no, yeah, who has a dark medium skin, no, right, for some of you, at ngayon ay nagsasuffer, no, maybe for some of you, no, may STD talaga, no, with the third party, no. So this one, so toxic relationship yung napasukan nito, right, no? Pareha silang may sakit, and maybe ang person mo pa ay jobless, or maybe this third party ay walang trabaho rin, no? Ay umaasa lang din sa person mo, right, no? Just take what's resonate, no? So for some of you, no, so sobrang napaka grabe itong relasyon na 'to, 'no, ang pinasukan ng tao na ito, right, 'no. So, pinagpalit niya kayo for this third party na may sakit pa, 'no, nahawa pa siya dito sa third party. Maybe kaya lalo na siyang umalis, no, lumayo na lang siya because meron siyang sakit, no, for some of you, no, mga Sagittarius. So, just take what's resonate, no. So, medyo na-sad ako rito, no. Yeah, ayan talaga yung nangyayari kapag hindi nagiging tapat, no, sa kanilang partner, right? No, so let's see, no, kuha pa tayo ng additional message for you, no, kuha tayong one card here for Sagittarius. So, yeah, maybe for some of you, you are dealing with a cancer, no? Yeah, maybe ang person nyo ay a cancer sign, right, no? Or, yeah, kumbaga ay with this cancer, pwede ring sabihin natin na, kasi sa tarot, ito yung chariot, no? Kumbaga, kahit saan-saan to nagpupunta, no? Travel ang travel. So, maybe dun yan nakuha rin to, no? Kasi nga, third party. So, maybe hindi lang iisa tong nakuhanan niya ng sakit, no? Or kung sino man talaga ang nakuha niya ng sakit, no? So, medyo nasasad ako, no? So, sana yung mga player dyan, no, mag-isip-isip naman kayo, no, para din naman yun sa sarili ninyo, right? No, so, yeah. So, let's see, no, kuha pa tayo ng one card here. Message or advice for you, no, ni Universe, mga Sag, no. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here. So, you have this gypsy, no? Blame my gypsy soul. So, talagang sinasabi rito na this person talaga ay wala siyang dapat ibang sisihin kundi ang sarili niya, right? So, siya ang pumasok sa ganyang sitwasyon. So, siya lang din ang makaka-solve ng kanyang naging sitwasyon right now, no? Mga Sag, no? So, whoever it is, no? Kung kayo man, again, kayo man ito or ang person mo, 'di ba? Na who is dealing with the third party, right? Na so maybe kayo pa yung sinisisi, but then wala siyang dapat sisihin dito kundi ang sarili niya, right? No, kailangan niyang i-accept lahat ng mistakes na nagawa niya, right? No, so ito yung sinasabi ni Universe sa kanya, no. Siya ang may gawa ng kalagayan niya ngayon, sitwasyon niya ngayon. So, i-accept niya totally, no? I-accept nitong person na ito at wala siyang dapat sisihin dito kundi ang sarili lang din niya, right? No? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, ayun yung nakuha natin for you, Sagittarius. So, medyo nakakalungkot lang, no? For me, kasi nga, ay, yeah, medyo talagang napaka-gulo at yeah, ang hirap kasi lalo na 'pag may sakit ka pa, 'no, right? No, so ayan talaga yun, 'no, kumbaga parang katulad kay Aries kanina, 'no, karma will be served, 'no. So yeah, that's it, 'no, mga Sagittarius. So I hope naka-resonate kayo sa reading niyo today, 'no. So maybe napaka parang toxic ng mga relationship na meron kayo ngayon, mga fire signs, right? No, so I hope na makaalis na kayo sa ganyang sitwasyon na yan at kung sino pa tong may mga sakit-sakit dyan, sana hindi na mahawa yung kanilang mga person na niloko nila, right? No, makonsensya naman kayo, no, for some of you, right? No, so yeah, that's it, no. So God bless you all and thank you for watching Fire Signs.